Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to unfreeze first column in LibreOffice Calc. You know that freezing the first column is a practical way to keep your identifier visible while you navigate through the large amount of data. So here is how you can manage this. For this, you need to open your spreadsheet in LibreOffice Calc and then place the cursor on the B2 and then navigate to the View tab on the top ribbon and click on that and hover your mouse towards the freeze cells and click on the freeze first column. Now this process indicates that the first column is locked in place as you scroll horizontally to the right side. So if you no longer need the column to stay fixed, so you can revert the setting by following these steps. Then again place the cursor to the B2 cell and then go back to the View tab and select the Freeze Rows and Columns and click on this icon to toggle the setting off. Now this process indicates that the first column is unlocked in place as you scroll horizontally to the right side. So if you ever need to lock both the first row and the first column simultaneously, then click on B2 cell and then again go to the View tab and click on this Freeze Rows and Column. Click on this icon. Now everything above to the left of your selected cell, row and column will remain visible while you scroll to the direction to the left or right. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how to freeze and unfreeze first column in LibreOffice Calc. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.